Now I'm going to share with you a few free softwares for your course recording, and also going to share with you a little bit like use cases. Okay, so the first thing is like OBS Studio. It's completely free. Anyone and any computer you can install it and start recording. Okay, so I have already installed it, or if you want to download it, then you can simply go to Google and search OBS Studio. Simply search it, then you'll get this website, OBS project, and just go to their website and just simply click on the download button to download their software. So I have already downloaded and I have already opened it, as you can see, install and open it. So if you go to this left side, then you get to see the scenes. So this is something mainly for who have a different scenes, like who like to record camera with. So this is mainly for about the scenes. So as a course creator, I don't think you need to create multiple scenes, but if you like with different settings, then you can do it. So each setting you will get to see some of the source. If you go to this left, this bottom, then you will get to see every single scenes have a source. Source is something like what thing you personally like to record. As you can see, if I just click on there, I will get to see few multiple options. So let me first of all delete all of them. Otherwise, you get to see something like blank, no problem. So you will get to see something like blank like this. Okay, so now we need to click on this plus icon. Then you get to see multiple options. Let's say in browser, color source, and a lot of things. But in here, we need to select our screen capture. Simply just select it. And now it's typing in a name. You can type here. So I'm gonna click OK. Let's click on this OK button, and as you can see, we get to see something like this, and we need to resize it. So if you go to this left side top, then if you follow my cursor right now, then we can simply resize it like this way. So I'm going to make it at the top of this. Try to match its left and right side. As you can see, I get to see 102 pixel in left side, so I'm going to make it 0. And now as you can see, this is totally top of this, so I'm going to make it, try to make it, let's say, center, right? Try to keep them center. That will be more better, because as you can see in the top bar, we don't really need it because it's not necessary, and the bottom part also it's not necessary. So keep it middle, that will be better. And on this audio mixer, you can make your audio mixer. Also, you can change your mic from there. If you go to this property, now you can simply select your mic, which mic you like to do. Let's say I like to select my mic in here. So right now, whatever I'm just gonna record it, I will get this sound in here. As you can see, it's have only two. One is like screen capture. I just make it 0. That is, there is no system sound will be coming in. And if you go to this one, this is mic and audio. So I click on this and go to properties and select my microphone, which microphone you like. So let's say I select my one. And now if I'm just going to click on start recording, and if I go back again, and let's record some little bit more. Let's go Google. Let's type here something. I just type this. Let's go back to OBS and let's close it. And after this, you get to see this at this bottom. We get the recording save add to this one. This URL, our recording is saved. So let's go to this file. Let's go to this movies. And here is the file that we just recorded right now. So let's open it. Start recording. As you can see, we get exactly as it is, right? Alright, so now as you can see, this file is MKV. But if you like to make it MP4, then it's have an option. So let me find out the option. Where is that? Let's go to OBS again and go to the file, and then you get to see the option Remix Recording. Let's click on this option. You can select here multiple videos, added all this, simply select all of them at once and just all of them, and just click on this Remix button. Just OK. Now I'm just going to close it. And as you can see, we get an MP4 file. But if you not make it MP4, it's fine, because MKV support like DaVinci Resolve, they support it. So if you don't convert it, that's fine. There is no problem. But if you make it, if you like use any other software, then you can, if they record MP4 file, then you can just convert it into MP4. So I hope now you get idea about OBS Studio. If you like to see more, then you can search in YouTube about OBS Studio settings and OBS. Then you will get more videos about that. But this is basic and this is good enough to start. Alright, so now let's talk about a few more tools that you can use for recording. Number one is so much popular in Camtasia. If you're using Windows software, then this software will be best for you. If you search in Google, I'm only talking about this one, Camtasia. This software I'm talking about, this software is not free. This is totally paid software. But if you're using Windows and any other software, then you can search on YouTube. I hope you will get few options to use this software for free. Okay, I hope you understand what I mean by it. Right? Okay, if you don't understand, it's okay. You can use OBS Studio. But if you understand what I mean by, then you can go and search on YouTube and download the software and use for free. Okay, let's go to the next. It's mainly called Komodo Dex. So you'll also get this link in our bonus sections. But if you search in Google, Komodo Dex, okay, if you search on this, then you will get this website. So here is it. Just open it, and this is a recorder. Looks like free, but exactly not like free, because it's have a few limitations. So you can check their website and check their pricing. I hope then you will understand what I mean by. Okay, and the next software, it's about loom.com. Many of these people already know about it. So I personally use Loom in my personal cases. But the problem is like they don't offer a download option as a free. But if you go with the premium subscription, then you can download it. But if you like to host your video on your website, then I think you can try Loom also. So I'm showing you all of this platform, all of this software, so that you can you can just like make a decision that which one you feel comfortable, which one you feel like easy to use, and you can use the software. So if I'm going to tell you in summary that I show you 4 softwares. One is like OBS Studio, and 2 is Camtasia, 3rd is like Komodo Dex, and the last is like Loom. So use any of this software to record your course.